So it's a really nice day, so I thought I'd come out and walk the dog and have a brew. This time I brought out my single person Storm Kettle. I'll put a link in the description to the website if I can find it. I think it's an Eydon Kettle, and it's perfect size for having a brew. And today I'm going to be having a mugshot, so that's for my lunch. So let's get the fire lit and then just enjoy the ambience as I cook this. I'll try not to talk too much. I'm just using a wool and shavings fire lighter. It's a great way to get it started. Just before we get going, I'll pop the water in. So I think I need about 200 mils of hot water, so if I put about half of this in, it should be okay. I think this holds 500 mils, so I put maybe a little bit more than half in. It shouldn't take too long to boil, and I've saved a bit of water for the dog, although she's been drinking out of the canal. So I've got my little True fire stash lighter. That should be enough to get that going. Let's pop this on, and then the great thing is that it acts like a chimney, so I'm just going to turn it so that the wind goes into it. Yeah, so that's burning okay. And then whilst I've been walking, I've just been picking a few twigs up, so let's pop those in. And the trick, if you're not used to this, is pick the twigs that have a bit of snap in them, because you know they're the drier ones. So I'm careful not to put too many in, but just enough. And yeah, I found this wooden fork along the way, so that will burn nicely as well. A lot quicker than it will rot down. And then I just need to wait for the water to boil. I don't think I'm going to need half of these twigs that I've brought along the way. And the great thing is you just pick up the fuel as you're walking along. It's just, I've literally just got a handful here, and I won't use all of them. And I have a new spork. This is the Van Gogh titanium folding spork. So it comes in a little bag. I just bought it today at the Outdoor Expo. I know my knife friends will laugh at my sporks, but they're a really handy way to eat this. And I forgot to bring one last time I did this. You just need to keep feeding it with twigs, and if they're dry enough, then they should burn. So for those people not familiar with the Storm Kettle, the way it works is you've got a chimney in the middle and then another skin around the outside. The water sits between the two. So the water gets heated by the fire. It's super efficient, and it's one of my favourite ways to boil water. I've got about 3 of these. I've got a Kelly kettle and 2 of these Eydon Storm Kettles. Fantastic piece of kit. So I try not to do any cuts so you get an idea of how long it takes to boil. And I'm not sure if the microphone's picking it up, but you can hear my dog whinging, but also there's a load of birdsong around here. I'll have to get the app out to so I can see which ones they are. Right, I think we're boiling already actually. I don't know if you can hear that. Right, now, here's the tricky bit. So we'll just move that away. I'll pour most of the water in. Give it a good stir. And then leave it for 5 minutes. So I'm going to take a break from filming whilst my mugshot rehydrates. But super efficient, super cheap. You don't need any gas or meths or anything like that. You just pick up some dry twigs. A firelight is a great way to get it started. And you can see, I think I was super quick. I'll come back in a minute when it's cooked. So my mugshot is cooked, and yeah, I'm just going to sit and enjoy it here in the sun, listening to the birds. Hope you found this interesting, and why not check out this playlist on outdoor stoves. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.